Hey guys, welcome to another episode of my channel. So today we are going to continue our story about web servers on ESP microcontrollers. And today's subject is going to be basic authentication. So for that purpose we need to include few libraries. So I want to include ESP8266 Wi-Fi.h because we are going to deal with ESP8266 microcontrollers. Second library it's Wi-Fi client.h, and third library it's ESP8266 web server.h. Okay, now we need constant char pointer, SSID, and I'm going to fill this field later on. You don't have to see my credentials. So in here we are going to put the name of Wi-Fi network that we want to connect to. And now constant char pointer password. Likewise. Now we need another constant char pointer username, and let's say I'm going to call it admin, and constant char pointer ps for password, and I'm going to use password admin. So once again, in these two fields we are going to keep credentials for our Wi-Fi network. And in these two fields, we are going to keep credentials that we are going to use when we want to log into our server. And of course, next step is to create actual server. So ESP8266 web server. Call it server, and we are going to serve content on port 80. Alright, so when that is done, we are going to establish actual connection in our void setup. So we need to initialize our serial monitor first. Begin with baud rate of 9600. Then we are going to initialize our Wi-Fi with SSID and password. Now in while loop we are going to wait until actual connection is established. So we are going to check for Wi-Fi status. While it's not equal to WL underscore connected, we are going to make delay of 500 milliseconds or half of second, and we are going to print, no, just print asterisk. That's totally fine. So after that is done, I want to print new line, just one new line, nothing special, and I want to print Wi-Fi local IP. Okay, that's cool. And now with server on method, first we are going to provide root response. Now we have to provide angle brackets, simple brackets, squirrely brackets, and in here we are going to make our response. Of course, at the end we need semicolon. And first thing in here is to ask for actual authentication. So if not server dot authenticate, and in here we are going to provide our username and password. So if we are not authenticated, we are going to return, meaning server is going to return server request authentication. All right, and if everything is well, we are going to send actual content with code of 200. We are going to send text plain, or you could send the HTML, it's completely the same. And text is going to be everything it's okay. You can enter. Okay, something dramatic like this, semicolon at the end. All right, at the end we are going to start our server, server.begin, remove unnecessary empty spaces, and in our void loop we are going to call handle client. All right, so now I'm going to upload this piece of code. No, wait, I have to add credentials. So this code is not going to work because my Wi-Fi credentials are missing. So just give me a few moments, I'm going to finish this so we could test our web server. Alright, that part is done. Now I'm going to upload this code once again. Alright, let's see my serial monitor. Alright, we are connected at address 192.168.0.25. Let's see it. You see, now we have to provide our credentials. And our credentials are admin and admin. Hopefully now we are going to see content. Alright. You see, everything is okay, you can enter. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope that you have learned something interesting. So please like, subscribe, and see ya!